In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into Microsoft Teams on your laptop or computer. Whether you're new to Microsoft Teams or just need a refresher, this simple guide will walk you through the process, step by step, ensuring a smooth login experience. So let's dive right in. First things first, you'll want to make sure you have the Microsoft Teams application installed on your device. If you don't already have it, you can easily download it from the official Microsoft Teams website. Once it's installed, you're ready to go. So start by opening the Microsoft Teams application on your laptop or computer. When the application opens, you'll see a welcoming screen that prompts you to sign in. Click on the sign in button to begin the process. The next screen you'll see will ask for your email address. At this point, you'll want to enter the email address associated with your Microsoft Teams account. Make sure you type it in accurately, as any typos can prevent you from logging in. After typing in your email address, click the next button. Now you'll be prompted to enter your password. Take a moment to ensure that you enter your password correctly, paying attention to capitalization or any special characters. If you tend to forget passwords, consider using a password manager to keep track of them, ensuring you always have the correct one at hand. Once you've entered your password, click on the sign in button to proceed. At this stage, Microsoft Teams will work its magic, logging you into your account. If you have two-factor authentication set up, you might need to input a verification code sent to your phone or email, adding that extra layer of security. Within moments, you should find yourself on the Microsoft Teams dashboard, ready to start collaborating with your team. If you experience any issues logging in, double check your email and password for errors, and ensure your internet connection is stable. Sometimes it might be necessary to reset your password if you're having trouble remembering it. And there you have it. Logging into Microsoft Teams is as simple as that. With this straightforward guidance, you're now ready to navigate your team's environment and make the most of your collaborative workspace. Remember, if ever you encounter further difficulties, Microsoft support resources are available to help you every step of the way. Thank you for watching, and hopefully this tutorial helped simplify the login process for you. Stay tuned for more guides on using Microsoft Teams and other productivity tools. Feel free to like, comment or subscribe if you found this video helpful. Until next time, happy teaming.